Peruvian Metals in the news recently. Peruvian Metals trades as PER on the Toronto Venture Exchange as they sell base metal concessions in South Central Peru for $800,000 US. With me now to break it down, President and CEO Jeff Reeder. Jeff, appreciate the time and update here. Why don't you run through the details of the latest transaction here for PER?
So, Rob, we did a deal last week. We sold non-core assets in the Huachocolpa area in southern Peru to a company called Latitude Base Metals. It's a company that's going to go public soon on an RTO by taking over a company called Zincor. And it's a new group. They've acquired the Recuperada mill. Recuperada in Spanish means recovery. And they acquired this mill a couple of years ago from Buenaventura, and this is one of the oldest mills in the area. And they acquired it. I've been to site. They've acquired a lot of ground around it, and we've held these claims for about 5-6 years. And it made sense to, we're focused in northern Peru. These guys are focused southern Peru. It's a lead, zinc, silver district. And they're going public, and we saw a pretty good opportunity there. And I decided that it was best for us to sell them outright rather than retain a royalty, because they're going to give us a significant shareholder position in a new startup, and they will be going public within the next few months. And we think that there's a good aggressive group, and they have some very good ideas in how they're going to increase their cash flow. And these are the same type of companies I like. Peruvian Metals is following. The cash flow business. We felt like this was a great time to capitalize on some non-core assets.
Break down the proceeds a little more here. $800,000 US. How are you going to see the money, and what are you going to use it for?
Okay, so we sold for $800,000. We're selling $200,000 cash and $600,000 in shares. The private company, they did a pre-RTO financing. We're at the same price of that RTO financing. We're going to end up with about 3.3 million shares of Zincor at the end of the day when they go public. They're going to be looking at public between 30 and 40 cents a share. So, we look at it as over $1 million Canadian deal, and our market cap is in, between 4.5 to 5. So we've done, relative to our market cap, it's a very significant deal. We also, Rob, we are maintaining a small property in that area as well, a couple hundred hectares, and we maintain it. It's further north, west of where our other properties are. So this property is a high grade. It's called Minas Maria Norte. It's a high grade gold, silver, and lead. We're retaining that. We're looking at doing some geological mapping on that and some work on it. Samples came back of 40 grams gold and over a kilo of silver with about 8-9% lead. Very high grade. So we kept that property, and we can always mine that property and work on it and send the mineral to our new friends at Latitude at the Recuperada mill. So, it's a very good transaction. It shows that my company is very good at the prospect generator model. We are looking at divesting some of our other assets and focus on the north, where our plant is.
Okay, Jeff, before I let you go here, let's talk about the joint venture with Rio Silver. I got to believe the proceeds here ignite that. I want you to talk about how you use some of that cash to get the Rio Silver joint venture going, and what that means to the bottom line of PER.
Yeah, well, with the way I'm looking at things is that we're taking the cash that we received from Latitude Base Metals. Then we're going to deploy it to Rio Silver's Plata Dorada property, and we're just finalizing budgets right now and getting people moved into the area. And we should start artisanal mining that by taking a bulk sample out of that. We're going to look at a 300 to 500 ton bulk sample initially, bring it to our plant. Our plant's only like 150 kilometers away, and it will be about $18 transportation costs of transporting, $500, $600, $800 rock. And we don't know the grades yet because we haven't done the detailed work on it, but we do know that it's got a good gold grade, it's got a good silver grade, and good copper asset. It will produce one concentrate, a very good concentrate, and we should start on this. Hopefully, we'll start processing sometime in April on this mineral, and it's a gold rich concentrate we're going to produce, and obviously you see gold maintaining price. We'll be able to do well with that, with those sales. We'll take those sales and we'll reinvest it into the property. We'll pay back, we're going to have to pay some dividends back up to Canada for ourselves and real silver, but we're going to expand the operation down there, and we're going to explore by using cash flow. And I don't think we need to go and raise any money in the market. That's not what I want to do. I don't think that's for shareholder friendly. We're big shareholders, and we're going to keep that to a minimum.
Okay, no more dilution. Jeff Reeder, President and CEO, Peruvian Metals. Appreciate that update, and certainly look forward to checking back in when Jeff has some more news to report.